Transmitting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from the broadcast tower of Central Michigan University, courtesy of the CMU Public Broadcast Center.
In the lower 50s.
The current time is 11:14 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Highs in the upper 60s.
Now here is your local forecast.
On the 11 a.m.
West of
observation
today,
for Wednesday,
sunny.
in Flint, it was sunny. The temperature was 55 degrees, with 2.32, and the relative humidity 41%. The wind was northwest at 3 miles. At Detroit, sunny and 57 degrees. At Pontiac, 55 degrees and sunny. At Bad Axe, it was sunny and 52 degrees. Observations from the rest of lower Michigan. Skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 58 at Alpena, 55 at Houghton Lake, and 54 at Traverse City. Grand Rapids reported
Station is
55,
temporarily off the air.
56.
Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
54 at Marquette, and 56 at Sioux
This
City.
weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
Skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 56 at Chicago, 54 at Cleveland, and 57 at Toledo. The nearshore forecast for Saginaw Bay, rest of today, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots backing to the west early in the afternoon, then backing to the southeast late in the afternoon. Sunny. Waves 2 feet or less. Tonight, east winds 5 to 10 knots backing to the northwest in the late evening.
Or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Waves 2 feet or less. Thursday.
This weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Waves 2 feet or less. Thursday.
This weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
After midnight.
Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Forecast for days 3 through 5.
This weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
North winds 10 to 15 knots diminishing to 5 to 10 knots late in the afternoon. Sunny. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, light and variable winds becoming west 5 to 10 knots in the late evening and overnight. Clear. Waves 2 feet or less. Thursday, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots veering to the northeast early in the afternoon. Sunny. Waves 2 feet or less. Thursday night, light and variable winds becoming southwest 5 to 10 knots in the late evening and overnight. Lows in the mid-30s. West winds up to 5 miles per hour. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the mid-60s. Northwest winds up to 5 miles per hour. And now the remainder of the 7-day forecast for the listening area. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows around 40. Southwest winds up to 5 miles. Potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following southeast lower Michigan counties: Genesee, Saginaw, Shiawassee, Lapeer, Tuscola, Bay, Midland, Livingston, Oakland, and Huron. This concludes the test of NOAA weather radio station KIH 29. We now return to the normal broadcast.